Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2016 Chevy Traverse LT all-wheel drive. Stock number Z9803XX. Only 33,000 miles on this one owner. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Mosaic Black in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 5-year, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. It's a very safe vehicle. 5-star front and side government crash rating. Seat 7, leather interior. Bucket seats in the middle row. Rear heat and air control to make sure everyone's comfortable. Middle row seats will fold flat for additional cargo space, as well as tilt and slide forward, making it easy to get to the third row that seats 3. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors for additional safety, and power liftgate for convenience. Ample storage behind the third row, 60/40 split seat. Folds flat easily, give you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers, with additional underfloor storage. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. Step bars make it easy to get in and out, especially for kids or shorter passengers. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel that puts you in that perfect driving position. Cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen infotainment system, for radio. It's also satellite radio capable, navigation, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. Can even sync smartphones, Pandora, or Stitcher radio apps. There's, of course, where the backup camera display is. 3-zone automatic temperature control along with heated front seats. Automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the center console. And a large glove box with the owner's manual inside. Overhead. And home link transmitter for garage door opener. Under the hood, this Traverse has a 3.6 liter V6, 281 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 15 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 22 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires and new brakes. For more information on this Traverse, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.